She's just crazy.
Dito din sa Pinas. O sa Amerika, guys. Tignan mo. Maganda yung nagsasampay, oh.
Good morning, Philippines!
What I am, I have to see. Just feels me like everyone. We don't share my feel. Leave me on the side. You don't know me, I sleep.
Hello guys, good morning! Good morning mga ka-everything! Good morning guys! So ngayon guys, puntahan natin yung asawa natin. Puntahan natin si Tami, asawa ko. And dito tayo sa sasakyan. Time check, it is 8:48 na ng umaga. Almost 9 o'clock. And yun, maaga po ako ngayon. Napakain ko na yung aso. Well, let me remind myself, I have my key, I have my thing, and I have my thing. All I need is an wallet, the key. Pinakain ko na sila, so yun, okay. And then next is kukuha tayo ng gas kasi almost empty na itong sasakyan. So almost empty na siya. Anyway guys, so ngayon guys, bakit pupunta ako doon? Hala, I forgot the vegetables. Ay, wala nang gulay. Sabi ko kay Tamihan, I have to bring you some vegetables. Yung niluto ko. Wala na. Pero maintindihan niya yun. Kinain namin ni Lloydie. Pero okay lang yun si Tami. Wala yung problema. So yun, tapos ito yung pinaka dumi kapag humahawak ka niyan kasi iba't ibang tao yung humahawak, kaya mag alcohol at mag ano tayo yun. And ikip ko tong resibo. Anyway, let's go. Bakit iba yung feeling? Anyway, let's go guys. And $28 yung ano ko. Yung gas price pala ngayon guys is ano, yung gas price pala is 2 ano dito 205. May gasoline station doon na 170 197. Kaso kino-close nila yung daanan. Iwan ko kung bakit. I am here and let's go inside. Nalubat yung ano ko. Nalubat itong camera ko, so hindi na ako nag-vlog. Namatay siya habang nag ano. So anyway, let's go inside. Dito. I'm here. I guess naligo pa kasi walang tao dito sa kitchen. Tignan natin kung ano yung nagawa nila. Sabi pa nakaano daw sila, wala mang nagawa. Ay, ito may naano sila. May napak sila. Oh. Ano kaya to? Mga DVD? Ano to? Oh God. Bakit inampake yan? Yan, naliligo pa siya guys. Mag-CR lang ako, magwiwi. Anyway, so yeah, we're here. So guys, linisin ko ito guys kasi I like this fountain. It's a nice fountain. I like it. I'm going to clean it and bring it home. Yan, may mga stone dito. Linisin ko lang ito. Dito may mga rocks. Hala! Oh, this is separate. I almost dropped it, Han. So, this time guys, pupunta kami sa Best Buy.
We forgot the macaroni salad. What the hell?
Okay.
That's what I'm going there for. Alright, yeah, stop by the house.
We're going to Best Buy and then we're going to Ande.
Put it in a little flowery cold bag so it doesn't get hot in the car.
Flowery cold bag?
Yeah, the one that was you moved before.
What is that bump ahead? I don't see any bump here.
You should have told me to bump your head.
That's a bump your head like that because it said bump ahead. I say that
Okay,
thing.
make sure when you pull the door, make sure you check it.
Yeah, can you vlog
It's
yourself?
in the pain in the neck.
It's vlogging.
I'll
Say
vlog you.
something.
It's just crazy. Why have I got one light out on this car? That's not really good. I need to go check that. Alright guys, I'm gonna put you on hold or something while I check why there's one light out on this car. It's not right.
God, guys, he just left you here.
Well, I was gonna
Guys,
get out of the car and check it, but when I put it in the park, they go off.
you can see it over there. In the reflection in your car.
I know, but this one looked like the outside one is on, and this one looked like the inside one is on. But see, when I put it in park to get out to look, they go off. See the point? So that's what I figured. That's the way for you now. The add is up to it. It's like over there by the police station, that one. They added that gazebo, but that gazebo was not always there. See, this part with those benches were always there, but these tables, the picnic tables, that's something new.
So, andito ako ngayon sa sasakyan. Naghintay lang kay Tami. Andito siya sa Best Buy ngayon. Look, Best Buy. Look. Hintay lang ako dito. Kasi mamaya pa yun lalabas. May binibili lang siyang kroko. And ayaw kong pumunta doon. Dito na si Tami, guys. Ito yung binili niya, guys. Look. Can you do your hand first? Okay. Yeah. La. It's already dripping. So guys, Tommy got here. He got the Roku thing. Ito yung binili niya. The Roku. Do you know how to install this?
Yes, nothing.
It's nothing.
Just gonna program in the Wi-Fi crap and you're good to go.
This two house I like. We're heading now because tumawag siya. Andito na daw siya. Ando na sa bahay niya.
Oops, I missed you.
Whatever, honey. If you really don't miss me, it's fine.
Yeah, I miss you. I said it to you like 10 minutes ago.
I'm the one who keeps saying I miss you.
You're right, that's what you do. And you don't say, don't you miss me? Really? Seriously?
I said, I really do miss you, hon.
And?
And is that a problem? Guys, this is our normal this is our normal conversation, okay? We don't have a good conversation. It's about how you ruin my car, hon.
Don't ruin your car. How do I ruin your car?
I think uulan, guys. It's going to rain. The cloud is freaking dark. As in dark. Yung traffic girls, traffic. You think this whole thing is going over there? Na tayo sa bahay nila, guys. Okay, honey. Get the thing. I'm not bringing the camera, okay? Rika, akala nyo sa Pinas lang marunong magsampay. Marunong sa Pinas, di ba? Ang ganda, oh. Wala lang sa Pinas. May airplane, may aeroplano pa, guys. Look.
May ano?
Aeroplano.
Ay, oo.
The plane. Oh. Ganito din sa Pinas. O sa Amerika, guys. Tignan mo. Maganda yung nagsasampay, oh.
Ibang amoy.
Maganda yung amoy, oy. Daw ni.
Naarawan.
Oh, iba yung naarawan talaga. Yan. Ito yung bahay likuran nila, Ate Claire. Mayroon pala silang space dito, oh. Maganda yung space nila. And guys, mayroon siyang ampalaya. Wala namang bungat eh.
Ang alin?
Ampalaya mo.
Mayroon dyan ilan kasi dumaan yung aking boss sa ospital. Binigyan ko siya.
Ay, hinog na.
Ay, sisave ko na yan.
Isisave
ang
mo
buto.
para ano next year. Ay, mayroon dito, te, oh.
O, ayun.
Dalawa. Meron man ako doon din.
Mayroon.
Nag-start na akong nag-harvest din. Saka guys, marami pa siyang ano. Hala, te, malapit na yung ano, te.
Yung alin?
Yung fall. Hala. Yung fall ba, maginaw?
Ay, oo.
So, marami ka pang
Huli.
ano. Oh.
Huli na. O, hindi pa namumunga. Wala na.
Ako, nag-start na yung bago pa lang, maliit.
Ay, di wala na rin. Hindi na
Malapit na,
aabutin.
hindi na yun aabot. Pero te, meron na sa'yo, oh. Meron na yung sa kanya. Meron ng bunga, oh. May bunga siya, guys. Look. Look, may bunga. Ang daming ano. Basil niya, oh. Yun, ito yung garden ni Ate Claire. Yung kasi, yung pumunta kami dito kasi, nag-vlog ako, di ba?
Oo.
Na-delete.
Na-delete. Hindi pa nag-aaral yung aking pinsan kung napanood na niya ang vlog mo.
Maganda mo yun, igisa, oh.
Alin?
Itong tumito na hilaw.
Nahilaw?
Oh, igisa.
Ano ang lahok?
Karne. Oo.
Bakit hilaw?
Masarap man yung hilaw. Crunchy ba?
Bakit hilaw?
Crunchy pa yung ano niya.
Ito ang sayang mga paper no yan.
Meron na te, kaya pa yan.
Aabutin.
Oh, kaya.
October na, wala na.
Maginaw na ba October?
Oo. Maulan na, nagsisimula na eh.
May kamuti si Ate Claire, guys. Diba? No, maganda naman yung likuran ninyo, te. Akala ko talaga walang likuran dito.
Hindi mo alam mo.
Noon akala ko walang lugar dito, walang space. Pwede pala dito mag-party-party, oh.
Oo, pwede. And the coil there too also is right in the bottom, right? The coil. And it's covered. I think it's not only 5 years, 6 years that was there.
Ito yung bangko ko noon, guys. This is my bank. This is where I always banking. TV. It's really mad dog. This is where this is where I worked before, guys. Dito ako nagtrabaho noon, guys. Look, nag-cashier ako dito, look. I work here before, cashier. Diyan. Look, may table na dito, guys, tindahan. Look, did you see that? It's a nice thing. They put nice stuff on outside table. Yeah, dito ako nagtrabaho, guys. I walk. You know, remember the Han? I walk from the house. It's from here to the house. Train station over there. I walk to go to train station para trabaho sa isang trabahoan. So ito yung lugar kung saan ako pa lakbay. Hello guys. So ngayon umalis din si Tami. Yan, sabay-sabay kaming umalis pero nauna siya dahil nag-stop ako doon. Nilagay ko lang kayo diyan, so nauna siya doon. Train na-miss ko tong train ba. This is the train station. Dito ako nag-ano ng train. Ganun si Tami to ba? Si Tami to. Look, si Tami. Nandun si Tami, sasakyan niya dito. Tammy's here. Yeah, I love you. Bye-bye. Dun siya. So, yun guys. So, paalis na tayo. Meron tayong mga box dito sa likuran ko. I think 4 yun. Mabibigat. Puro mga DVD, CD. Mga DVD. Sabi pa ni Tami, ibenta mo yan sa eBay. Kaluka naman. Ay guys. Buhay guys. Buhay. I miss my husband. You know what guys? Nag-alala ako sa kanya kasi nung doon pa kami kay Ate Claire, bahay niya, gumanon si Tami kasi paminsan kasi sasakit yung dibdib niya, yung puso niya. Puso, chest. Sasakit. As in, yun yung pinaka problema ko talaga. Kasi sasakit yun siya kapag may nararamdaman siya, sobrang sakit. Sasakit talaga daw. Gumaganon siya kanina, sabi ko. Hanggang ngayon gumaganon siya. So, sabi ko, tawagan mo sila para sabihin mo na hindi ka papasok sa trabaho. Delikado guys, kasi ganyan yan siya guys. Pag may so, paminsan talaga malala pa yan, pabayaan lang niya. And scary to think na lalabas siya, trabaho pa siya, magkikarry pa siya ng mabigat, and then hindi ako makapag sa kanya kasi sabi niya, please don't, just let it be, it will go away. All the time ganyan yan siya, just ignore him. I cannot just ignore him, you know, when you see your partner na ganon yung naramdaman niya, you can't just kind of ignore and don't see anything, you just let it be. Ay nako, so I'm worried talaga. Ganyan yan siya guys. Ang pinag-worry ko lang is kapag nasa trabaho siya, and yun, ang manyak, ang saya, nandito na si mama. Yes, you're happy, I know. You're happy, I know. Tignan nyo to si Misty. I know, baby. I know. May Rocky, I know. Nagkahubo na ko. What is that, Rox? Oh. Takot si Misty. Hi, baby. Hello, love. Diyan tang. Adudoy na pagkahimos. He's so cute. Look at him. He just loves me. He knows he is safe. Look at him. He knows he is safe. I love him so much. Oh my God. Alam niya na safe siya sa kay mama niya. Alam niya na mahal siya ng mama niya. Alam niya na walang mangyayaring masama dahil si mama yung andito. Alam niya na safe siya sa mama niya. Alam niya na mama loves him. Alam niya lahat yan. Tingnan mo. Hello, love, love. Hello, love, love. Be careful. That's a new cover, love. Be careful. I miss my baby. I love you. I love you. Hi, guys. Balik natin yung pang tulog. Anyway, good. Ano na, guys? 6:56. Oh my God. All the time talaga yung oras ko is hindi sakto. Tugma or ano. Meron ako nakita ditong galing ko ako, naligo ako guys kasi makati yung ulo ko talaga. Makati yung ulo ko. Ay, nag-alala ako kung saan ko ito ilalagay yung mga hanging plant. Kulang pa yung hanging plant guys. Gusto ko pang magbili ng marami guys. Kasi gusto ko talagang maraming bulak dito or maraming Hello guys. Kanina pa ako nakahiga sa sa bed. Kanina pa ako doon nakahiga-higa. Ng oras? 10 something. Almost 11. Nakalimutan kong i-in ang vlog. Nakalimutan kong i-in itong vlog. So, sabi ko, nakahiga ako dito na nanonood ng mga video sa YouTube, mga vlog, ganun yung ginawa ko. And nanonood din ng news. And then, sabi ko, nag-vlog pala ako ngayong araw. Hindi ko na-end. So, anyway guys, hindi na ako magtagal kasi i-in ko na tong vlog bago tayo makatulog, di ba? So, thank you guys so much for watching. And I hope guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. Yun, naghihintay pa ako kasi sa tawag ni Tami. Tatawag pa yun. 10:30 pa pala. So, tatawag yun si Tami. And yun, sabi niya, maghintay lang ako sa tawag niya. So, hinihintay ko siya. Kahit pagod na pagod ako. Yun, so anyway guys, good night. Thank you guys so much for